So what's going on, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to take screenshots out of your PC without any external tool. So without further ado, let's get started. But before you do, hit this like, share, subscribe and comment. Absolutely. So now let's get started. So the first thing you need to do is open snipping tool, which I'm going to open in a moment. So this is the tool we're going to use, snipping tool. So yes, now take the what do you say, take the reason you want to take a screenshot. So yeah, so it is very flexible. You just do this and yeah, like that. You can save it too, by the way. Wow. So yeah, so all that. So now another tool is built in under the keyboard. So you'll see the print screen by system RQ, SYS RQ. So just press that button. See, now you go to MS Word. I think it works on Notepad, but I prefer MS Word, which I'm going to use. So I'm here in MS Word, Microsoft Word, blah blah. What do we say? Or I say Word, okay? So my interface looks a little bit different because it's cleaner. Okay. Now you press, now I press the print screen again, because if you don't trust me, the guy who is, if you're watching me and you will not trust me, so I'm gonna press this more than once. Okay, it's done. Now press Ctrl V. Yeah, that's the screenshot, and it took the picture of my recorder, which shouldn't be. Yes, I use Bandit for my recording. So if you want to know how to use that, I have a tutorial, link in the description. So yes, so this is how you take screenshots, the most efficient way of taking screenshots. So hope you guys like this video, because yeah, I found this tutorial by myself. So hope you guys like, share, subscribe, comment down below if you have any problems. And yes, that's it, and see you guys in the next time, and I'll take another screenshot. Boom. Peace out.